Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Silky Egg Shredded Chicken E-Mee. You can find this dish in many nearby hawker centers. Give it a try and let's go cooking! Let's take care of the prawns first. Leaving the first portion of the shell, deshell the prawns all the way to the tail. You will have the prawn's head and the tail intact. Use a scissors to cut away the eyes, mouth and limbs of the prawns. This is optional. Devein the prawns. Slice up the fish cake. Then cut the gingers. Add in all the condiments in the bowl for the chicken broth mixture. That's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. In a boiling pot, add in the chicken breast. You can cut them up before putting them in to cook faster. Once it's cooked, remove the meat and let it cool down. Use a fork to shred them and set them aside. In a hot pan, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in the prawns and fry until 80% done. Remove the prawns and add in the ginger. Once it's turning brown, add in the garlic. Add in the sliced mushrooms and fish cake. Add in the prawns. Add in a swirl of Hua Diao Jiu. Stir for a while and add in the chicken broth mixture. Add in the veggies and bring it to a boil. Prepare some cornstarch solution. Add them little by little until it reaches the consistency you want. Add in the eggs and give them a stir. When the eggs are almost cooked, turn off the fire. Prepare a plate with ee mee at the center. Add in the sauce on the ee mee. Add the shredded chickens at the side. And it's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!